Back with another video, baby. Gasoline gambia no more. Well, we're gonna fill in the tank so we can get this car back on the road. No, it's red.
Israel is buggy.
It's buggy. Got the minor pit stop. Come a garage go. Not tell her guys. But there guys more. Elements basta gile mo total garage harangu. Total energies harangu. Nakwela ya ho fa to thusa ke magrotment mo la time o go file Brian rena singa ka molo le uhile dilo tsarna di ka be thapele re bona re David kana go ke 3:30 ne ba re nyaka ka 12 di mathata kinya ko le o no bara gaska break ere break ha ba fit or break ka hin break kwa ra release taira ya mahambung no abang budur giro hey wasle holi na kira brega watama ya tu brega watama ya no ju brega sweeping kulia shika chu kitira got two hands kya ubot ene ko pele go na lo traga ne eka brega watama ya no ju diora ya mafika no ju shit shake a break, come on, you're up and you. A break with some, I know you. Shit. Who can you let the car murder? We do a break and you at some at you. I'm not a brag, I can drive at you. Brag, I can drive up. You want to number the humpuna. The humpuna like number the night. You never got a nagarilla. And we do go to class in it. And a bambari wheel already no got that in a tree. Mararasa, Garasaka, Arascraper, Kore, Yarman, or not in a man. Mariano names who said no, put a break out some Maya, do you? And no break out some Maya, and then you go so racho. Brick hill, I had bricky Fanagarto at us like a matin. Otherwise, Kilada, shake, Fanagalata daily finish. Yo. I read the team at Jogger, Jackarani joke. And I'm mobile, read the team at Jogger. Lena Trendilla Giza. What come on thinking? Nya driver or Nya Tonsiu? Nya driver. Oh, Nya Tonsiu. What come on with you? Nya driver or Bayan Tons. Oh, Nya driver. Some don't say brag like a driver, Joe. Brag like a driver. I know I don't normally show my face on these things because I'm crusty as shit. But when you like a patin, I love patin. You like a Rohan, I love Rohan. Milomakayo Mili, you know the nigga Lomalo. I'm not a brag like a driver. Brag like a driver. We cover about 40 Ks. And even in Ashiana di Brafan me. Oh, na lang mo baby ya mo to na probably you like before. A brega Ashiana chu. A brega Ashiana chu. Marartin. Oh, Riatin. Cause no ratchet when ngamuhari. Anguish regala what. Kira jor shana kamara di maini chu. Refitilo mo la giti barga ma khobe wato ator barga mo rola wato atewa elens. Kya brega na mara wa driver. Di brafan me. But when you have good friends, you have good friends. What hell? You know, Spiliana, Azim, and Sharp, Market Libra Fadi. But no, Idimbo Gigaman said. Idimbo mechanic about nature of Kalujana, Caloria. Elevo muloto, ma stiamo con il logo due G. Marchi è Amondale la tele di numero. Chipile. E la tele di. Why Marco ya nyaga hala vele. Nagi but late.
The next day.
Oh, not sure to say. Nissan Sorregel. Mar Nissan Sorregel. Mechanic way, no. Get day 2. So we'll see the part. To give us wrong part. Come to that the hangwan. You'll be okay. Stimulate. Turbo one. Wrangle point. My British. Clear brake fluid. There is clear brake fluid. Clear brake. Brake. Oh, anjing lah nurki cipang.
Hey, ang bugin sama.
Nalaga lang.
The next day.
Ilum sunyi atla digay so full eye das bona so cinca di tips no mutili no na di noro taro ya ka mara oya ukwa ya rabatse na like, comment, subscribe. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. I'm a clearly be. Something is open. Hey, sponsor my head card, guys. My tata is here. Kiyaka pati wrong. Yaka, I see it. Yeah. You clean there. As you are not clear, something is getting. In some suara. Yes. My dad. Oh, say yes. My dad. Something well there. Hey guys, sponsor gasol.
3 days later.
Let this be a lesson to you youngins. Never start a project if you're not ready. I thought I was ready, but I'm not ready. That's why I always say, whenever you get the chance and however you do it, just make someone's day. You don't know what they're going through. So, in today's episode, I'm going to explain a little bit. We're going to cut this part. This is going to be part 1. I'll be putting part 2 if we eventually get the part. After today's search, we've been looking for the part. We're not getting the part. I even wanted to ship the part, but it's not the part that we want. I don't know what's going on with this part. So the one that we getting is kind of expensive for our pocket. We didn't budget for them. So please do like, comment, and subscribe so we can reach the appropriate target to get the views. But then again, make sure to comment and talk to me and ask me how the
project is going, because eventually we will get it up. So I'm thinking we're gonna go collect the car, bring it back home so that it doesn't stay at the mechanics for long. It's not even a mechanic, it's just a friend. So I just want it to be in my yard. Even he agrees that it's better for it to be in my yard. So I'll be updating you guys soon on how the build is going. It's not a build, we're just getting it back to life. It was stuck for a bit. It's still like it switches on. It's cool sometimes, you know, like it switches on and it starts and it cranks, you know, it does the change, you know, and then it starts because it's a beast. It's a sport car, by the way. But we are missing brakes. It doesn't have brakes, but the brake master cylinder that we're looking for, we're not getting it, and the one that we find that we are getting is expensive. So damn. So pray for us and hope that we do eventually get this part today. Well, I'm gonna go to another spot that they sent me to, and if I don't get it, that means this is the end of the video. Maybe I might just say we did get the part, or we did not get the part. Find out on the next episode, or maybe we did. Maybe you don't know, but find out on the next episode. I love you guys. I guess you can tell. Yeah, we didn't find the part. But the guy that we were sent to recommended another place, of which we found them closed. So we're gonna check again. I don't know when, because tomorrow and the day after that I got appointments that I gotta go to. So if I can make it back on time, or maybe if I can go in the morning, then maybe I'll go and check. Otherwise, the update is still as is. Doesn't look like. Catch you in the next one. So as you guys already know from the last update, the car is at the mechanic stuck. So now we bought it petrol to go and put it inside so that we can mangulusa the bangulus. To start it, drive it, the part was kind of a success. Let's just say 40% success, because it's giving issues a little bit. So the mechanic is fed up. We're gonna go and collect our car, then we'll see from there what's what. I probably won't shoot, you know, when I'm at the mechanics I don't really shoot that much, so I'll give you the update when I'm home, maybe recording the whole thing while watching the car as well. Peace out. Like I said, we're gonna collect the car, go back home, see what's what, and give you the update. So I'm just gonna show you the car, quick run around. Nanti Guluwe. It's dirty, but don't mind the dirtiness, eh? We're gonna clean it when home. I did say we're gonna wash the car when we get home, but this is I tripped there, but yeah, this is the car. Hey, real light's not wiki. Oh, very low. I was shocked. So we're gonna go home now. Well, we're gonna start with pouring petrol again. Sponsor the guy, guys, eh? Good stuff. Hey, my goodness, though, we are shaking like a leaf. Check out shit. So we're back home, and the bag master, the bag connection is not going to the back. It's not giving the pressure to the back. It's only braking with the front. Only the front is going through. So since the struggles we've been through, we just said let's continue. Let's just keep it as it is, and then we'll put the right part after. But then for now, back home. Let me show you how dirty this car is. It was parked under trees. Can you see the dust? The dust. Very, very dust. 50. Some of them were taken away while I was driving because it's like 60 km away from here. So we back with another banger. Then I'll show you after, because now I just want to give it a quick wash. Then I'll show you after what's what and how it is, how's it gonna go. Right? Peace. I did say quick wash, didn't I? But final results, clean, very clean. So let me go ahead and play with other kids. I'm gonna open everything. Help me by liking to welcome the pens back, comment and subscribe.